Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. Last run of the military and Trump train for the year. I designed a new bumper for my Roundhouse area to make it fit a little better. So here's some pictures of that installed and lighted. Yesterday's. This is today's. I managed to get this colored and plastered here, and a little bit of plaster up there. Now I've got this plaster dried from yesterday, and then I've got to get the rest in. I'm going to do that section right there next. All right, here's my string of auto rack cars. As you can see, there's a couple of them. Total of 8 right now. I'll have a total of 11. There's what they all look like running around the loop. You can see how long the loop of it is. Well, I put a new switch in right here for off the main line, and then another double spur track here. It'll go all the way down to the end. I'll get the bumpers hooked up here in a little bit, but it's for this grain elevator. My friend Butch gave me the grain elevator, so I fixed it up a little bit. Okay, I'm making more progress. This is the whole curved end, and I got it down to about right there for the color, this first coat. And then I got some more plaster up here on this mountain. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.